Hello, in this video, we will learn how you can easily run WhatsApp campaigns, broadcasts, and bulk messaging using BigBros AI. First, open your BigBros AI dashboard. Here, click on Campaigns from the left menu. Then click on the Create Campaign button. Here you will see three types of campaigns: Broadcast Campaign, API Campaign, and CSV Broadcast. First, let's understand Broadcast Campaign. Broadcast Campaign is used to send messages to your existing audience or saved contacts. Click on the Create button and enter your campaign name. Then click Continue. Now you can apply filters such as name, mobile number, email, source, or tags. Using tags, you can target a specific group of users. After selecting the tag, click Continue. Now choose your template. After selecting the template, you will need to fill in the template variable values. For this, you can use the Attributes option. For example, name, first name, mobile number, or email. If you want to use the name variable, simply select the name attribute. If the name is not available for any contact, the fallback value will automatically be used. For that, you can set the fallback value as user. Similarly, configure the remaining variables, then click Continue. Now you will be able to review your campaign. Here you can see the audience count, estimated cost, and selected template. Please note that this is only an estimated cost. Users who are currently inside the 24-hour service window can receive utility messages free of charge. Now you can either schedule the campaign or click on Send Now to instantly broadcast the campaign. Now let's understand API Campaign. API Campaign allows you to integrate campaign APIs directly into your software or existing system. Click on Create, enter the campaign name, select the template, and click on Set Campaign Live. Your campaign will now be ready to use through API integration. The third option is CSV Broadcast. Using this option, you can upload a CSV file and send bulk messages. Enter the campaign name and click Continue, then upload your CSV file. The system will automatically map columns such as name, phone, and email. If required, you can also map them manually. After verification, click Continue. Now select your template and configure the variables. Then review your campaign and either schedule it or launch it instantly. After creating campaigns, you can also view campaign analytics. You can track how many messages were sent, delivered, read, or failed. You can also monitor total spend and campaign performance in real time. From the usage and billing section, you can view your usage history and spending reports. In the same way, you can create WhatsApp campaigns for your own business. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any assistance, you can contact our support team.